The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Close the glove box. Remove the two clips that secure the glove box door by its hinges. Pull the two clips towards the middle with your fingers or use a pair of pliers. Lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1119 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. While pulling the dampener cord down, partially close the glove box to re-engage the stoppers. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box. Reinstall the clips.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.